What you are looking at right here is the stats for a YouTube channel. But it's not just any YouTube channel. In fact, it is completely voiceless, faceless, and requires almost no editing. In fact, I created the same YouTube shorts in just minutes for free. And I will show you how you can start your own channel step by step. Completely faceless and voiceless. Wow! Let's get started. Step 1. We're starting with Chat GPT. I asked Chat GPT to generate some quotes that fit a specific style, with a first part that intrigues people to hear the second part. Perfect! Now I will ask Chat GPT to generate 50 more. Now I asked a Chat GPT to generate these quotes in a table form like Excel. This is an important step, and you'll find out why later in the video. It takes me approximately 10 to 12 minutes to complete this entire process so far. Now I will manually save the entire data into an Excel file. You can also use Google Sheets. Step 2. Now go to canva.com. Click on Videos. Then click on Mobile Videos. You'll see the design section here. You'll find various templates to choose from. You can search for templates of your choice. In my case, I'm looking for quotes. As you can see, there are plenty of templates that match my description. Here, I will choose this one. So I'm going to put the theme text like love or friend facts somewhere at the top of the screen. The quote itself is going in the middle. And at the bottom, I'm going to add the YouTube channel name where the shorts are going to be posted. The first 7.5 seconds display the first part of the quote. Then there is a 1-second pause, and then it reveals the second part of the quote, which has a duration of about 1.5 seconds. Step 3. As you know, the quotes are made up of 2 parts, so I'm going to copy and paste this. So I have a second text block. I'm going to drag it down a bit for now and copy the second part of the quote here. Next, right-click on the first part of the quote and select Show Timing. This will show you the duration and placement of the text in the video. We want the first half of the quote to be 7.5 seconds long, followed by a 1-second pause. And then we start the second part of the quote at the 8.5-second mark. The second half of the quote should only take about 1.5 seconds, and then we want the video to end. Drag the end of the video to the end of the second part of the quote. Let's see how it looks. Great, our video template is ready. Now here comes the real magic. We're going to insert the database of quotes into Canva, so I can make hundreds of different videos with just a few clicks. Step 4. On the left down here, click on Bulk Create. Select Enter Data Manually and clear all data. Then copy your Excel list of quotes. I'm only going to put in 30 for now, and you'll find out why soon. And paste them into Canva with their names. As you can see, we have the first 30 quotes in, so we can click on Done. Next, we want to connect the different pieces of text to the correct parts of the video. Right? Click on the text and go to Connect Data. Select the right piece of data you want to be shown in a text. This part is going to be the theme, so we select Theme. To get to the first half of the quote, we have to drag the second part down. For the first half of the quote, we select first part. For the second half, we select second part. Once you've connected all the data pieces, place the second part back in the center of the video, and we're good to go. Now all parts of the data have a purple check mark on the left indicating that we're ready to generate the video. Click on Continue and then on Generate 30 Pages. And voila! We now have 30 YouTube shorts with different quotes. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. For more passive income tutorials in less than 10 minutes, we will upload easy step-by-step tutorials each week. Thanks for